Stupid Ocelot. Guys, you have reached part 6 of the 30-part series, the Ultimate Medium.com course. And today we are going to talk about how to get viral titles for your Medium stories. So my friends, it's pretty easy, to be honest, these days to get viral titles for your Medium stories. All you need to do is get some assistance from AI writing tools such as ChatGPT or Lex.page. So if you don't have any Lex.page account, you can always try the free version of ChatGPT. So in this instance, we are going to test ChatGPT if it gives us a good title, a viral title for our Medium stories. So my friends, let's try it. I'm going to write a prompt on ChatGPT. I'm going to write it in front of you. Give me titles for keyword how to get viral on medium.com. Simple keyword, how to get viral on medium.com, my friends. And I used the inverted commas. You have to do it exactly like I did, the prompt, my friends, to make it easier for ChatGPT to understand. So now let's press this button, enter button, and now ChatGPT is going to analyze the data. Immediately you see top 10s are the most viral titles. Top 10 10 proven strategies for going viral on Medium, the ultimate guide to achieving viral success on Medium, from zero to viral, how to build a massive audience on Medium, cracking the code, how to get your Medium posts shared and seen by thousands, the science of going viral, how to boost your Medium reach and engagement, maximizing your Medium impact, a step-by-step guide to viral success, and the viral Medium blueprint. Look at this, my friends. It has given me 7 very good titles, and it says it cannot complete the response. There is a error, maybe too much load is on the website, on the free version of ChatGPT. So my friends, what you need to do is copy what ChatGPT gave you in your MS Word file somewhere on your computer. Choose the best title which you love the most, choose a subtitle as well, viral subtitle, and there you go, my friends. You have a viral title for your Medium stories. It's as simple as that, my friends. It's as simple as that, to be honest with you. So I hope you liked and enjoyed part 6 of the series, the Medium.com course, Ultimate Medium.com course. Stay tuned for part 7 coming right up. Thanks for watching, my friends.